Honorable members.
But final apology. Final apology too. Apology. Do you want to give the apology? Okay,
So I think we are set now. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the statement of the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Party parliamentary group. A meeting of the parliamentary group of the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Party held on this day, 29th of November 2022. The meeting took place against the background of continuing rise in the cost of basic commodities, plans by the government to introduce GMO maize and seeds into our country, and the determination by the Kenya Kwisha administration to create an electoral body in Ruto's own image and after his liking. That push to reorganize the IBC is camouflaged as a trial of the 4 IBC commissioners. In view of these grave developments, the TG resolved as follows. 1. That the Justice, Legal and Constitutional Affairs Committee of the National Assembly hearings against the 4 IBC commissioners is a lynch mob, a hired squad, and an illegality with the predetermined and won't recognize or honor its findings. Instead, we will fight it to the bitter end, in and outside the House. 2. We are aware that the product of the kangaroo proceedings in the name of JLAC is scheduled to be tabled on Thursday, 1st December 2022, and subsequently a special sitting of the House to finalize the report is to be called on the 7th of December this year. This shows how desperate and insensitive the regime is. They are calling a special sitting not about hunger or drought, insecurity-related issues. Instead, they are focusing on petty political scores and 2027 elections. We appeal to the Kenya Kwisha administration to focus on what really matters for Kenya. The 7th of December 2022, due to the ongoing national examinations. We have listened keenly to the appeals of parents and our school-going children, and we have decided to obey their wishes. End of statement. Thank you very much.